It's my reunion today, myself and this car. I sold this car 20 years ago to the gentleman we just acquired it from, and it looked just like this when we sold it. This Mustang's special, beautiful colors, the Wimbledon white with the aqua and white deluxe pony interior. You know what else is special about it? There's a 4-speed and an air conditioning unit. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Or you can scan the QR code and it'll bring you right to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this paint job's at least 20 years old because that's when I sold it to him, and it was restored prior to that. And it shows really well. And when it stands the test of time, that means a lot. But the body is straight. It fits precisely. It's square. It's flush. Little tiny dimple you have to look for. Something maybe fell on it there. Clean, straight fender all the way down to the bottom. All metal. All lines up beautifully. All straight. No door dings. No bubbles or blisters. Opens and shuts like a new car. Quarter panels all clean. All smooth. All real nice. All fits beautifully, straight, no damage, no rust, no problem areas, all clean. You look at the quarter panel, all down to the bottom. Sometimes people make comments like, why am I touching the car? I can feel for bumps or bubbles. Sometimes you don't see it. So I got 2 sets of eyes and I got my hands checking the car out. Here's a little chip on the very edge of the door. The door also lines up real nicely. Jambs are nice. Shuts like a new car. Clean, straight, no dents, no door dings. Here's a little chip or something right there. Clean fender, all nice metal, painted Wimbledon white, like I said, has a very glossy finish. If you inspect it, you might find a chip or tiny flaw here or there, but very nice. Not cracking or anything like that, and it's over 20 years old. All the chrome, the Ford emblems, the pony, the bumpers, the bezels around the turn signals all look really nice. The original antenna, deluxe mirrors, remote mirror on that side. The emblems, the V8 emblem, it's a 289 in there, all look really nice. The door handles. I'm typically not a fan of vinyl tops. I really like it on the Mustang. I think it just looks very handsome. It's a white vinyl top. I'll say it's in good to very good condition. The weather strips are replaced. And then check out the wheels. That really makes the car too. They're 14 by 7 inch chrome GT wheels and they are sparkling. Tires look great. I think the tires still got nubs on the tread there. Tail lights, bumper, gas cap. Again, it was all replaced. You can see the GT stainless tips coming right out through the valance. Original rear window. It has the typical light scratches in it. Good looking car. Let's check out that pony interior and show you what's under the hood. All right, let's check out the trunk. Opens easily. Under the trunk lid, still looking real nice. Weather stripping is still soft. The jamb is clean. Inside is clean. Has the mat. You subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. So the jambs are real nice. Weather strips are soft. If you look down at the sill plates, it does have that extra piece of trim, so it's all nice and shiny when you open the door. So this is a deluxe pony interior, so it has the molded door panel with, they call it the knife handle door handles there. The lights on the doors work, two-tone, really sharp looking. Yep, this is just a black standard interior. I don't know if I would have bought the car. It has the nice aqua dash. The deluxe also includes the wood grain trim, and this is all nice. All the paint, all the knobs, the bezel, all looking really good. 1,100 miles on it. No, it's 110 miles on it. So I don't know what that indicates. The knobs, the vents, the radio, all nice and clean. Same thing with the glove box. It's all real nice. Interior lights are working. Even the kick panels are two-tone. The aqua carpet, it's good. It's got a little discoloring. Embroidered mats. 4-speed Hurst shifter. Right in front of that is the air conditioning unit. And that's how they were. They were just hanging under the dash like that. When they did the seats, well, it sounds like a drum. All new cushions, tight and firm. So it looks really sharp. It has the embossed ponies running across it. That's playing with the seat belts. There are seat belts front and back were added. They weren't a law yet at that time. We got floor mats back here. Same thing. You got the embossed seats with the ponies. Side panels are real nice. Rear shelf looks real nice. And we have a clean white headliner and visors. Day and night mirror, so you don't get the glare from the cars behind you. And then also has the deluxe steering wheel, which looks like that's been replaced. It practically looks brand new. So yeah, I really like the interior. It's favorite part of the car. The two-tone pony, really sharp. And then you got 4-speed with air. You don't find 4-speed with air too often. Usually people got air, got an automatic. So it is a 289 motor, runs real nice. The car's been through our shop, been serviced. Does have an upgraded aluminum intake and a Holley carburetor, 4-barrel. Looks like it has an electric choke. And then they've put on the high-performance open element air cleaner, new chrome valve covers. Then you can see the engine bay is real nice, all the metal, all smooth and clean. The nuts, bolts, everything looks proper. The relay. Radiator looks real nice, has the shroud, has the horns up front. Air conditioning like we talked about. Even has the washer fluid bag and the little pump, and the squirters are hooked up. Has reproduction spark plug wires on it. And again, all the metal works clean, under the hood's clean. So just a very nice, clean, tidy, very easy to maintain and service this engine here. It's what's nice about the Mustangs. They have good resale. You can buy parts for them. You can maintain them. Michael's going to show you how nice it does run. So underneath the car is very nice. The steering and suspension was all gone through. You can see bushings and that all look real nice. We inspected the car. We replaced the center link and a tie rod end, I believe. The exhaust system still in excellent shape. It's a dual exhaust with a crossover pipe, super turbo mufflers, and again with the GT tips going out through the valance. Drum brakes all around. They're working properly. The e-brake is hooked up. We replaced the fuel tank. Looks like the sending unit was replaced as well. The floors are restored under the car, solid, painted black. Looking up at the motor, it's nice and clean. The starter looks fresh, has the proper fuel pump on it. The 4-speed transmission was just completely rebuilt. And then the rear end was resealed, new fluids. So that's been serviced as well. So the car is a nice turnkey, clean Mustang. And again, you can enjoy this car, tinker with it. You can buy stuff for your garage walls. There's just so much you can do with the Mustang. There's clubs, there's events you can participate in. It's an American classic like baseball and apple pie. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get your Mustang delivered to your garage. And if you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.